naaalala nyo na isa sa mga pangunahing trabaho ng SDO?
Siya po ay isang accountable person.
Accountable person. Would you agree with me? Kayo ho ba'y sasang-ayon na bilang SDO, kasama po kayo sa gumagawa ng financial plan?
Yes, ma'am.
Sasang-ayon din po ba kayo bilang SDO? Kasama din po kayo sa preparation ng liquidation report?
Yes, ma'am.
Bilang SDO, kasama din po kayo sa certification kung saan ginamit ang confidential fund?
Yes, ma'am.
At bilang SDO, kasama din po kayo sa preparasyon ng ating accomplishment report. Tama po ba?
Ang accomplishment report po, ma'am, ay magbe-base po ako sa aming...
But nevertheless, Ms. Acosta, kasali po ba kayo dun sa gumagawa ng accomplishment report?
Ay, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ang na-mention ko po, Ms. Acosta, is the entire process of utilization. It starts with the preparation of the financial plan,
Yes,
tapos susundan po ito ng disbursement. Under the disbursement, dito po tayo nagkakaroon ng encashment of check. And after the encashment of check, after the utilization of the same, papasok po yung liquidation of report, and then the certification that the same were utilized properly. Pagkatapos may isasubmit din po kayong accomplishment report. What I said, Ms. Acosta, represents the entirety of the utilization process of confidential fund. At ang nangangahulugan po, Ms. Acosta, alam nyo, simula umpisa ng proseso hanggang katapusan kung anong nangyari doon sa confidential fund. Tama po ba?
Sa trabaho ko ngayon bilang SDO, ma'am, ang aking nalalaman po ay pag nakuha ko na po ang pera, kasi may information po ako na ibigay ko po
Sandali
sa aming...
po, Ms. Acosta, ang atin pong katanungan ay
Okay, dito, ha?
sa financial plan, disbursement, liquidation, certification, accomplishment, ito na po ang kabuuan ng proseso ng paggamit ng utilization fund. Which means, dahil kasali kayo sa lahat ng ito, alam nyo kung anong nangyari sa confidential fund ng OVP. Tama po ba?
Tama po, ma'am.
Okay. May I request the Secretariat to please flash the disbursement voucher?
Comsec.
Question, Ms. Acosta. Who gives instruction for the preparation of disbursement voucher?
Si BP po.
Let me go back to the financial plan first.
Yes po.
Who prepares the financial plan?
Ako po at ang aming designated security officer.
You are the one, along with the security officer, who prepares the financial plan. Who then approves the financial plan?
Approved by the head of agency.
And the head of the agency is?
Ma'am BP Sara po.
Okay. Now we go to disbursement voucher. Who gives instruction to prepare the disbursement voucher, ma'am? Sino po ang nagbibigay ng instruction para gawin ang disbursement voucher?
Pag nirelease na po ang SARO, mag-instruct po sa akin ang head of agency na pwede na po mag-prepare ng disbursement voucher.
And the head of agency is?
Ma'am BP Sara po.
Yes. Secretariat, please, our disbursement voucher. What we will be flashing, Ms. Acosta, is our disbursement voucher dated December 20, 2022. Do you see your signature in the document?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please direct us where signature is? Would I be correct? It is at the bottom left,
Yes, ma'am.
which
Yes.
means that you were the one who received the check
Yes, ma'am.
with the number 2444027. This is December 20, 2022.
Yes po.
Across your signature is your name, Gina F. Acosta.
Yes, ma'am.
You confirm this?
Yes, I confirm po.
Just for the record, Ms. Acosta, do you confirm the authorship of this signature appearing in the disbursement voucher? Perma niyo po ba ito?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And since you were the one who received the disbursement voucher, it is understandable that the check is issued to your name.
Yes
Tama
po.
po?
Tama po, ma'am.
Can we flash the check, Secretariat, please? Would you confirm to us that this is the check that corresponds to the last quarter of 2022?
Yes, ma'am. I confirm.
Yes. What did you do with this check, Ms. Acosta? Ano pong ginawa niyo sa checking ito?
Pag tinatawagan na po ako ng aming cash division na okay na po yung cheque sa
Sandali po. Sino po yon?
cash division po
Cash division po ng
ng Office of the Vice President.
Office of the Vice President. The check is in your possession already. Nasa inyo na pong pangangalaga. Ano pong ginawa niyo dito sa check na to?
Magpa-encash po sa land bank.
Nagpa-encash sa land bank. San po ba particular branch nyo in-encash itong check na to?
Sa land bank show.
Land Bank Show Boulevard.
Opo.
Can you please read the amount indicated in the check? How much is this check?
125 million pesos po.
And can you please enlighten us? Kailan nyo po ba ito in-encash?
December 20, 2022.
And that is the same date as the issuance of the check.
Yes, ma'am.
Mabilis lang ho ba maggawa ng cheque sa inyo? Mabilis lang po ba?
Sa tingin ko mabilis kasi andyan naman agad ang cheque po.
As a matter of fact, ma'am, the date of the disbursement voucher, the date of the check, and the encashment of the check are the same. That is December 20,
Yes po.
2022. And please walk us through. Paano ho ba ninyo ginawa itong encashment ng checking ito? Medyo nakakapaisip lang po considering the huge amount equivalent of this check, 125 million. Physically, napakahirap po nitong bitbitin. Tama po ba, Ms. Acosta?
Tama po, ma'am.
Okay, from Shaw Boulevard, saan niyo po dinala itong perang ito?
Sa office namin po, sa OVP office.
Sa OVP, was it your office or was it the office of the Vice President?
Meron po akong isang office doon na nakalagay po ang aming vault.
Gaano po ba kalaki yung inyong vault?
Mga 4 feet, tapos 3 po.
Tatlo
Opo.
na 4 feet na
Opo.
vault.
Yes
Balikan ko po yung bag na na-mention nyo kanina. Can you please describe to us? Gaano po kalaki? Anong itsura ng bag? You said there were 4 bags where you placed the entire amount of 125 million.
Yes po. Color black.
We are showing this Jim duffel bag. Is it similar to that, ma'am?
Dako pa anak, ma'am. Mas malaki pa nito, ma'am.
Mas malaki pa po dyan. Yung bawat bag ho na mas malaki pa dyan, gaano po ang laman?
More than 30. 30
So
M.
the 125 million was divided into 4 bags. One bag is 30. How about the second bag?
30 po.
30 also. The third bag is?
Minsan po ma'am, more than 30 po.
A little more than
Oo,
30.
30.
And the fourth bag is more than 30 also.
oo.
The total of which is 125 million. Ilan ho ba security guard yung tumulong sa inyo?
Nung nilagay na po ang pera sa bag, 2 pong security guard ng land bank po.
Land Bank Show Boulevard.
Opo.
Tanong, Miss Acosta, hindi po ba kayo natakot magbitbit ng ganito kalaking halaga na pera? Considering the possibility na baka ma-hold up kayo Remember, you're covered by a fidelity fund, bond.
Yes
And
po.
one of the reasons is the possibility of losing this huge amount of money.
Yes, ma'am.
Bukod po ba kay Mr. Ortonio, sino pa po bang kasama niyo sa sasakyan?
Driver po.
So there were 3 of you only.
2 pong sasakyan, ma'am.
2 drivers?
Opo, isa po ang nagda-drive sa akin, isang sasakyan. Tapos isang sasakyan po ang sinasakyan ni Asik Ortonio.
And were you seated, so you mean you are seated on different cars?
Yes, ma'am.
Yung isang sasakyan, ang kasama niyo po'y driver lang, and the other car, Mr. Ortonio and the driver.
Yes, ma'am.
Balikan ko po yung question ko, Ms. Acosta. Hindi po ba kayo natakot, ninervyos, nag-alala? This is 125 million.
Natakot po, ma'am. Kaya nagpasama po ako kay Asik Ortonio po.
And do you believe that ASEC Ortonio has the capability to secure not just you, but even the 125 million?
I believe po kasi